Automated test generation using Selenium and MyITest4U. MyITest4U follows the following maxim. It's collect, generate, run. Before you can do anything in MyITest4U, you have to collect all the GUI elements. This can be done for the current page after a test step, or it can be done fully automatically by using the spider. The spider will collect all the GUI elements of all reachable pages of your web application fully automatically. The stored information can then later on be used to create and generate tests. Before we come to test generation, a few background information. The test structure in MyITest4U is always the same. Every test step has three parts. In the first part, there is information about how to find the GUI element. In the second part is the action, and in the third part are the test step parameters. This structure makes it very easy to turn a GUI element into a test step. And then a test is simply a sequence of test steps. Next, we will have a look at the HTML document. An HTML document is built hierarchical. This means that every tag except the body tag has a parent tag. And it also means that the XPath of every child path starts with the XPath of the parent tag. This we can use to build test generators. A test generator can be built now in the following way. First, you have to find a parent tag. Then you have to get all the child tags and group them into test relevant tags and others. For the test relevant child tags, you have to set an action and the test parameters. Depending on the test you want to build, it might be necessary to bring everything into the right order. And then the last step is to convert the selected tags into test steps. An example of how this looks like is given here. Let's suppose we want to build a test generator which builds tests which will check all the cell values of a table. So the parent tag would be the table, then the child tags to use would be th and td, the action is check text, and the test parameter might be the value stored in the MyITest4U database. This is enough to build the desired test. Now, if you look at the HTML elements used, you will recognize that they all come from the HTML standard. This means our test generator can be used for every HTML table. It doesn't matter which structure this table has. It further means that this test generator is maintenance free. MyITest4U comes with several ready-to-use test generators built in. One is to fill out forms, another one can click all the clickables on every page, and the third one can click all the clickables of your application. Further, MyITest4U lets you customize your own test generators by using the GUI or by using the MyITest4U API. So this gives you a lot of possibilities to build test generators. Changes in your application can now be handled in the following way. All you have to do is recollect the GUI elements and then regenerate the tests. All the changes in the application will automatically appear in your tests. This makes it very easy and very fast to maintain your tests. The question which remains is MyITest4U. You can find the answer by downloading a free trial from myitest4u.com.